Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock all the characters in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate fast. So first, you want to go ahead and start the game. And then what we're going to launch is the versus mode. So go ahead and start the game. And then we're going to launch the Smash mode. Click on Smash. And then we're going to set it to one stock with a time limit of unlimited. And then afterwards, we're going to choose the battlefield map, since that's the one closest to where our default thing is. We're going to choose our character, set the CPU level to a number 1. So we're going to set them to level 1 and then click on ready to fight. Go ahead and start the match. And then as soon as the match starts, you're actually going to run off the map. So run off the map and that should be game. And then you're going to have a challenger appear. So go ahead and start this. So here we have, I think that's Captain Falcon. So we're going to go ahead and fight Captain Falcon, make sure we win this one. So I'm not very good at Smash, as you can see. There we go. So now that we've won, that actually took a lot longer than I anticipated. We've now unlocked Captain Falcon. So now we're actually going to go ahead and return to our home page of the Switch. We're going to go ahead and close the game out and then restart the game. So what we're essentially doing is that we're starting a Smash game and then we're losing on purpose, and then we're going to beat the challenger that shows up. And then afterwards, there's a 10-minute timer that starts every time you unlock a character. So in order to reset that timer, we're actually going to go ahead and restart the game. So now when we run the game again, we just run through the same thing. 1 life, unlimited time, but go ahead and lose the match. It actually doesn't matter if you're a level 1 or level 3 CPU, but it works either way.